to drive to Estes, and this is the spot where everyone stopped to take a picture. Look at how many cars are here.
One way, you've been trying to get me to stay, cause I've been around for 3 days, but I gotta go before we let it get too close to Friday, cause I gotta hit the highway. I don't wanna make you cry, babe, but I ain't coming back now, fade into the background. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair. That's when she said, I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. Me and Vicky Sticks, chillin' and we downtown. Made a couple beats at your bitch with the roundhouse. Yeah, when these people found out now that Willie be the shit, ain't he on now? Cause he's saying that I'm different, I'm not the same me that I was at Hell's Kitchen. It's been a little while and I've done a lot of living. I make mistakes but I live with my decisions. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair. That's when she said, I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. What's on your mind? Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high, I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. This time. Yeah, we get along together, I don't got a lot of money. When she picked my ass up in her daddy's Maserati, I'm a Motown kid, she's a California hottie. Says her folks ain't home, and that's when we get to rockin'. Cause she got a big crib, and she getting kinda lonely. And my phone goes off, and she texts me that she's only like, oh, 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 like, oh, 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 oh. This love is out of control. She calls me when she's all alone, cause I'm out of town here with some out of town swag. Oh, come over, she said. Yeah, we get along together, I know how to keep her happy. She want good sex, couple Xannies on some Eddie, and we hit the coolest parties. Vicky hit me with the Eddie. She calls me up late, and she only call me Zaddy. We in Beverly Hills, and we always getting faded. Said remember me, Will, when you get famous like, oh.